this video, we'll be looking at how to contact WhatsApp support to review your account or unban your WhatsApp account. If your WhatsApp is restricted or you have any issues, I'm going to show you how you can contact WhatsApp so that they can review it. And also, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you best practices that will help you be in business no matter what happens to your WhatsApp. So do well to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to drop a very important tip for you. So how can you contact WhatsApp to review your account or unban your account? Before you start contacting them, you need to try these solutions. Uninstall your WhatsApp, give it 2 to 9 days, and try to reactivate it again. If you are restricted or you have an issue, you cannot access your WhatsApp again, try uninstalling it completely from your phone. Give it 2 to 3 days. You can try it at intervals within these 2 to 9 days. If it does not reactivate, then you can try the next step. You can try switching from WhatsApp Messenger to WhatsApp Business, or from WhatsApp Business to WhatsApp Messenger, depending on the WhatsApp you were using before your account was affected. So try to switch between these two WhatsApps. If this switch is successful, use it for a week before you switch back to the previous one you were using. Then try and activate your WhatsApp in a different phone. It can be your brother's phone, your mother's phone, somebody close to you that you trust. You can try and activate your WhatsApp in his or her phone. If it connects, then give it some time as well. Use it, just allow it in that person's phone for some time before trying it in your phone. Another alternative is that depending on the issue, WhatsApp can restate your account within 2 to 30 days. There are some persons that after 30 days of waiting, after 2 weeks, 14 days, 3 days, 7 days of waiting, WhatsApp reinstates the account. So you can decide just to wait for 30 days and watch and see what will happen to your account, if it will be reinstated, depending on the issue you are having. You can check back after 7 days, after 14 days, after 21 days, or after 30 days. All right. On their own, WhatsApp can restate your account after a long period of ban. Okay. This is their own way of kind of punishing you for violating their rule. So you can just keep trying it. Then you can just decide to go straight to appeal by writing them. There are 2 ways to contact WhatsApp. Number 1 is to write them directly from your email. These are some basic emails you can use to reach WhatsApp. We have support@support.whatsapp.com. We have android@support.whatsapp.com. We have smb_web@support.whatsapp.com. So this smb_web@support.whatsapp.com is specifically for WhatsApp business users. Then the first one, support@support.whatsapp.com, is for those that are using WhatsApp Messenger. Those that are using WhatsApp Business can as well use it to contact WhatsApp. Okay. Android 2 is for those that are using WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp. You can contact them by writing to them. It means that you're using an Android phone. You just open your Yahoo Mail, Gmail, or any email application you are using. You write a subject help. Then your message body: I found out that my WhatsApp has been banned due to policy violation. I'm very sorry to violate WhatsApp policy. I won't do this kind of mistake again. I appeal that my number be unbanned. My number is. Now make sure that you attach your country code first to your number. Okay. You write it accordingly. Then you send the email. They are going to reply you as quickly as possible. They are going to check your number and reply you as quickly as possible. Then another way you can contact WhatsApp is by appealing from the app. Okay, you appeal from the app. Now this is how it looks like. So you can see it says this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. You can see this request a review. When you click on this request a review, it's going to take you to a section where you can type your message and request a review. Then after some days, they are going to reply you. Your account will be reinstated. Okay, so you can request directly from the app. That is if you have the option to request for an appeal via the app. You are going to see it request for a review, or sometimes you're going to see 3 vertical dots at the top right side of your screen. You can tap on it, click on help, and you can request a review. Another way to contact WhatsApp support so that your account can be reviewed or unbanned is by going to their website, whatsapp.com/contact. So when you get to their website, this is where you're going to see contact WhatsApp, WhatsApp Messenger support, WhatsApp business support. So when you click on WhatsApp Messenger support, it's going to take you here. You select your country code, you enter your phone number, enter your email address, confirm your email address. You select the type of WhatsApp you are using, if it is Android, iPhone, web, okay, then you enter your message, your appeal message. My WhatsApp was restricted or was banned. Please, I'm sorry, I'm appealing that my WhatsApp be reinstated. Then you enter, you click on next and submit your request. And they're going to tell you that they are going to get back to you. So here, you have already added your WhatsApp number that is affected. So these are the ways you can use to contact WhatsApp support to review your account or unban your WhatsApp account. Like I promised, I'll be showing you the best practices you can do or apply to still be in business if you have large contact and you use WhatsApp to promote your products or services. I'm going to show you the best practices that you can use. I use it and many other persons apply these practices so that no matter what happens to their WhatsApp, they will still come back to business like nothing happened. So let's look at these best practices. Let's look at best practices for business owners who are using WhatsApp for business. If you're using WhatsApp for business, then I would recommend that you incorporate these practices. I do this and it has helped me. You see, you don't know when WhatsApp will ban you. You don't know what can happen, what can trigger the ban. It can happen anytime. You can be restricted or banned. So always have a backup. Make sure you back up your contacts. Back it up in your Google Drive, and don't just have one backup, have at least 2 or 3 backups. All right, then have a backup community outside WhatsApp. This has to do with Telegram. I advise people who have massive leads, followers on WhatsApp, who do business on WhatsApp, don't just rely on WhatsApp group, on WhatsApp broadcast. Have a backup community. And this time around, I recommend a Telegram channel or a Telegram group that you can lead them to. Let your WhatsApp contacts be in that Telegram so that you can easily reach out to them. Even if you have an issue or you change your WhatsApp completely, that you cannot recover your WhatsApp completely, you can easily write them and say, this is my new number, connect with me. All right, you give them a free lead magnet and they can come back to your WhatsApp and you continue with them from where you stopped. So always have a backup community where you can relate and reach out to your contacts in case something happens. Then thirdly, have your contacts email address. 70% of my contacts in my WhatsApp business, I have their email address. The simple reason is this: when I am being restricted, when I can't reach them anymore, supposing I can't connect with them on WhatsApp again, I can easily link and connect to them on email. Set up an email autoresponder. That one you have full control over it, or let's say 80 to 90% full control over it, and you write them. You are still in business, and even if you happen to get a new WhatsApp, you can still write them via email and they reconnect with you. You give them your link and they reconnect with you. So make sure you have a backup. Make sure you have a backup community. Back up your contacts. Have a community where your WhatsApp contacts converge, not just only on WhatsApp. And try as much as possible to have their emails. And one of the ways you can have their emails is by offering them free gifts. And this free gift, they are expected to enter their email to download it. You can set up forms online. You can use email autoresponders to collect their emails. So it is advisable that you practice these 3 things. It's going to help you so that when you are in a fix whereby you cannot recover your restricted WhatsApp account, or something happens that you cannot just recover your account, you just have to start afresh. The journey will not be a long one. You can just start up again on a good note. So I hope these tips will help you as you put it into practice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and give us a comment.